Hey guys, this is Mr. Newman. I just thought I'd make you a quick video to show you what exactly I'm expecting it to look like when you have all your works cited in MLA format. Okay, so a lot of you guys probably have a works cited page on Google Docs. The reason for this is because Google Docs is the only one that has the MLA citation tool to help you out. If you go into slides and tools, there's no citation, okay? So that's why I wanted you guys to do it here in Google Docs and then transfer it over to your slides. So wherever you have your links, what you need to do is grab one of them, and you can highlight it just like I did. Oops. You can highlight it just like I did, or you can just click on the link and hit copy. Then you are going to go to Tools, Citations, and hit Add Citation Source. Of course, for most of you, your link is going to be website. So click on that, and then hit Control V for copy and hit search. Now, most of the time, this is exactly what we want to have open. It has a title, it has a website title, it has a URL. That's all we need. If it has other stuff, that's great, but we need these three. So if the search results show up with something like this, you're good to go. So hit continue, add citation source, and you're good to go. That is one link. So then if I wanted to do another one, I'm going to do the same process, copy link. The citation tool is already up, so I just hit add citation source, paste in the URL again, and hit search. Now sometimes no results are found. I don't know why it doesn't find it on the first time, but you can hit back, hit search. Not going to do it. I'll try one more time. Okay, now I got lucky, and the third time it actually had information for me. So I'm going to hit continue, add citation source. I'm good to go. All right. So let's try another one. I'm going to copy, add citation source, hit my website, paste it. Now, if something comes up like this where you've tried a couple times and it will not allow you, it doesn't have any results, then all you have to do is cite manually. And all you're really looking for is you click on your link to pull up the website that you were looking at. Now for me, I don't think I have an actual writer for this Chihuahua article. If I keep looking, yeah, I don't have anything. So I'm not going to worry about the author part up here, but I am going to worry about the title, the website title, and the URL. My title, of course, is whatever the title of the article or the page is. So mine, I'm just going to copy Chihuahua and maybe put breed information, whatever you need for the title. The website title is wherever you got it from. So you could just copy akc.org if you want. Or if I wanted to, I could write American Kennel Club on there. Then I'm just going to get the entire link again, copy it, paste it, and hit add citation source. And see up here on the Chihuahua, it has all the information I need in MLA format. All right? So that should help you. Now, for example, let's say you have a World Book Online article. You can totally just do the same situation. You may have to do it manually. Here, the title's missing. If I wanted to do it, I could just continue and put French Bulldog information. I could do that. But instead, I'll show you something else you can do. So if you click World Book, it should take you straight to World Book Student. If it doesn't and it makes you come into a sign-in page, what you need to do is go through the school website, through the library site, and get back on World Book. And then if you click on the link, it'll take you to it. But one thing you could do is this works for World Book. I've seen it on Britannica. I've seen it on Gale. You can click. It's either a gear or a quotation mark thing. You hit citation, and it formats it for you. So I'm going to take the MLA format, copy it, and then I'm going to put it. You could copy over the link if you want, or maybe I'll put it down here, whatever. But now you've got the link for the French Bulldog. And while it's not here, it's not here in our tools, at least it's somewhere in MLA format, and then you can plop it in with all the others, okay? So that's how you can do it on World Book. Like if I go to and then I go, I don't know. Let's do German Shepherd. Okay, so I have something on Britannica. I find information that I want to use in my book. All you have to do, you could just take this link and pop it into your citations. Yes, you could. Or you can hit More Actions, Cite, and it makes the MLA citation for you. Copy citation, and then you just paste it, and you've got the next one. Okay, so that should help you get your links MLA formatted. Now, once you're done with all of that, and so you have more links than I have. I only have 3, but you might have 10 or 15 or whatever, and you can scroll on here and see a lot of them. Then all you have to do is get down to like just some empty space and hit Insert Works Cited. From there, it formats you a Works Cited page and, typo, has it for you even in alphabetical order if you want. So what I'm going to do now is my work isn't done. The links weren't enough, but neither is having this Works Cited sitting on your Google Doc. You want to copy it, and then what you want to do is put it in your ABC book. So if I use this one as my ABC book, I'm going to paste, and it's right here for me. Looks like it's 12-point font. If I wanted to make it bigger, I could. Whatever. All right? Now let's say you have a ton of links, and so it doesn't all fit. All you have to do is create. So you can either copy and paste, or you can just hit the plus button. It depends. I'd probably copy and paste just so you still get the pages. I'd probably just even copy the works cited page. And what I would do is I would highlight the works cited that were off the page, and then I would put the rest of it on here. Like, for example, I'll show you. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, oops. So I've got these in here, these three, right? But I also had two others, one from World Book, one from Encyclopedia Britannica. So I'm going to post these at the end. I don't really care if it's alphabetical order or not. You can, but you don't have to. Right? You can, but you definitely don't have to. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have a few more. So now I'm going to copy those. So see how down here, this pug dog breed information might not exactly fit. You might have more links like that. I will just copy. Oops. And paste it right here. So you have one that has a bunch of links, and then you have another one that has the rest of yours. All right, so hopefully that helps you with how to do your works cited assignment. If you have any questions, of course you can email me, but you got to make sure that you don't just have links on your ABC book page, but you actually have works cited in this MLA format. All right, thanks guys. I can't wait to see how your ABC books turn out. Bye.